The metaverse is a 3D immersive virtual world where people can interact in a simulated environment. It has been gaining popularity nowadays, but the idea of a metaverse has been around for decades. In 1962, an American filmmaker, Morton Heilig, presented a device called Sensorama that would simulate the experience of riding a bike through New York City. This device can be considered a prototype of what today's theater call a 4D to 7D experience, where the audience experiences a 3D movie with motion, smell, air, etc. In the 1980s, the first multiplayer online game MUD, or multi-user dungeon, was created. In 1992, the term metaverse was coined by science fiction author Neal Stephenson in his novel Snow Crash. The novel introduced the concept of the metaverse as an imaginary world people could experience by wearing a pair of goggles. The users could create their virtual identities called avatars to explore this imaginary world. In the current age, this is similar to a massive multiplayer online or MMO game. While MMOs are restricted to a predefined storyline, the metaverse is a much more immersive experience with no such boundaries. It is a virtual world created by users that they can build according to their imagination. The possibilities of applications of the metaverse are becoming limitless due to the integration and continuous evolution of the internet, augmented reality, and virtual reality technologies. Let's take a brief look at what you mean by AR and VR. AR is a technology that superimposes digital information like sound, video, and text onto your view of the real world. For instance, when you click selfies on your smartphone using Instagram filters, or try out a variety of lipstick shades, glasses, or clothes on an e-commerce website, you are using AR technology. The game Pokemon Go, where players can use their smartphones to capture digital characters superimposed on real-world locations around them, is another example of AR. VR, or virtual reality, is a near-reality experience where users perceive their virtual experiences as real experiences. VR is a 3D computer-generated environment that you can explore and interact with using a pair of VR headsets. The use of VR headsets isolates the users from the real world. In 2021, Facebook's founder Mark Zuckerberg renamed his company Meta and unveiled his plans to build a metaverse where people can game, work, and communicate. The horizons of the metaverse are expanding with the advancement of artificial intelligence, or AI, and integration of tactile technologies. Along with the applications described by Mark Zuckerberg, the metaverse will soon find its way into sectors like tourism, e-commerce, healthcare, learning and development, etc. So let us now take a look at how the metaverse can bring a revolution in the learning and development industry. Thank you for completing this section of the course.